Students, they are talking about here delta, which is a finite change. That means I'm talking here about the change in concentration for a large time interval. I will call it as average rate. I'm writing average rate as a change in concentration with respect to the long time interval. So average rate, it is given delta x by delta t. It's absolutely right statement, but I want incorrect statement. So option A I can rule out. Now D is nothing but infinitesimally small change. That means they are talking about change in concentration at a given instant of time. So we call it as instantaneous rate. Instantaneous rate. It is nothing but a small change in concentration with respect to small time interval. That means it at a given instant of time. So whether it is given anywhere instantaneous rate equal to dx by dt, it's not given anywhere, it's fine. Now how average rate and instantaneous rate are related? Let me tell you that average rate will become instantaneous rate when this long time interval is made into the time at a given instant of time. You know that delta t, when it will approaches 0, that means when a time interval become a given instant of time, it will become an instantaneous rate. That means you are saying that the limit delta t tends to 0 means a long time interval become instantaneous rate. So whether this is given anywhere, I can see that here. So this is right, that means wrong, because I want something which is not correct. It is given at option D, dx by dt equal to delta x by delta t. It's not possible. Average rate cannot become equal to instantaneous rate. It will become equal only when this delta t approaches 0. So this is incorrect. So I have to put it right because I want something which is not correct. When you look at this initial rate, I know initial rate is always small, and I know that initial rate means time is approaching 0. Initial means 0 minute, right, or a 0 second, right? So time is approaching 0, so it is called the initial rate. So this is also right, so cannot be the answer. So option D, I must stick it here as right answer.